Hello, in front of me I've got GARMIN EDGE 540. In this video I'll show you how to create new profile. To create new user profile, firstly press and hold this button to go to menu and go to activity profiles. Select create new. And now you can copy existing or create from template. You can select road, mountain, indoor, gravel, cyclocross, commute, tour, e-bike, e-mountain. Let's select indoor, name it, and now you can manage data screens, change ride type, enable segments, manage climbs, alert and prompts, timer, nutrition, hydration, self-evaluation, MTBCX, navigation, satellite systems, and auto sleep for this profile. Select apply and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.